Welcome to AI Botflow. If you want to set up a no-match reply, you need to go to the bot manager from here. After entering the bot manager, scroll down to the bottom and go to the configure section. From here, turn on the no match reply option to enable it. After enabling, you need to click on save settings. Next, go to the action button. In the action button, click on no match reply. As you click, your flow builder will start. To set an AI reply for no match, first right-click on this text and delete it. Now you'll see the AI reply option. Drag it here and connect it. After connecting, double-click on it. Inside, you need to provide all the information related to your business. To learn how to train the AI, please write a message. Finally, click Save. That's how you can set up a no-match AI reply related to your business for now. We're giving info and then saving it here. We'll paste it and then save it again. Once saved, it moves to the AI section. Then you do the final save and your flow is saved. Now we just need to cancel and go back to the original flow. Let's chart this once. When we ask about pricing, look here. We've submitted pricing plan options. Our pricing plan shows up in the messages. This is how you can set up AI replies. When we ask something else, look here. The setup process section appears here.